from the dead.
So guys, let's start with the ingredients first. We'll be needing 2 slices of brown bread, some peanut butter, some honey or maple syrup, 1 banana, some cinnamon powder and some flaxseed. So I like my sandwiches to be a bit crunchy on the outside. So first I toast the brown bread slightly, not much. Step 2 is to apply peanut butter on this slices of bread. You can apply 1 to 2 teaspoon of peanut butter. Step 3 is cut the banana into thin slices and place those slices on the bread as shown. Next, sprinkle some cinnamon and add flaxseed to your sandwich. We are putting cinnamon because it is loaded with antioxidants and it has got anti-inflammatory properties. It also cuts down the risk of heart diseases and it also lowers the blood sugar level. We are adding flaxseed to the sandwich because it's a good source of healthy fat, especially for vegetarians who cannot eat fish to get the omega 3. So, for those, flaxseed is a good option because it is a good source of healthy fat. Finally, put half a teaspoon of honey. Make sure that you don't put much honey because then it will make your sandwich taste sweeter. Anyhow, the banana and the cinnamon is going to give a sweet taste to your sandwich. Moreover, we are getting carbs from the brown bread and the peanut butter. So if we put more of honey, it will just add on to the carbohydrates. Therefore, half a teaspoon of honey is appropriate. Lastly, keep the other slice of bread on it and give it a gentle press so that the banana will squeeze and prevent the sandwich from falling apart. So this was my peanut butter sandwich recipe. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Please do like, share and comment. And if you guys have any other suggestion, please put it in the comments below. Thank you. Also do check my Instagram and blog page. The links will be in the description below. Thank you once again for watching.